Something rather unusual happened today. I went for a little burn with my avatar with an Action 5 Pro on top of it. Went down to a place called Kennel Vale Woods in Cornwall. Very pretty, hoping to get the autumnal colours. And I kind of suspected that... Oh, perfect timing for the doorbell. Can you get it, Ruthie? Yep, she's on it. I kind of expected there to be poor signal, but when I took off, the drone lifted and then just started accelerating away. And to try and limit what it was doing, I controlled it to turn it around to come back. And actually, interesting what it did, it actually carried on in the straight line that it was heading along, but in reverse now that I'd turned it around. So it responded to turning it, but wouldn't respond to coming back. And it went smacking into an old derelict building and then crashed off that into a large river in sort of flood mode. I'll show you the footage in a minute, see what you think. Have a listen to the props, see if there's any clues there. I can't get, even though the drone is set to record as soon as it takes off, there's no footage on the memory card. Haven't been able to get into the drone yet, not dried out enough for that. And but the footage you see is from the Action 5. I would love to get actually as far as the sort of air data from the drone. It is very limited, doesn't say much at all, so it's all a bit odd. If I'm honest with you, I've never really believed when people say they have flyaways with their drones. I didn't believe that was really possible nowadays. But it's kind of what I had today. It's not a flyaway in respect that I got the drone back because it smacked into something. We'll be trying DJI Refresh for that, their express service, because I need the drone ASAP for jobs coming up. So fun and games. Have a look, see what you think. Any feedback, any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.